Hi, we are doing logarithm. If x is equal to 100 raised to the power a, y is equal to 10,000 raised to the power b, z is 10 to the power c, find log 10 root y divided by x square z cube. So we know what we have with us. We have 10 root y x square z cube. We have to express this in terms of a, b, c. So first we will expand this using the law. What is the law? The law is log a into b is log a plus log b, and log a by b is log a minus log b. So we will use this over here. So this will become log 10 plus log root y, and then minus, in bracket first you can write log x square plus log z cube, right, because this whole thing is divided. Then this will turn out to be log 10 plus log root y minus, open the bracket, x square minus log z cube. Now again we will use the law of log. Use law. What is that? That is a log a raised to the power n is n log a. We will use that law over here. Log 10 ko we will let it be log 10. Root y means y raised to the power half. So that half will come in front and this will become log y. Same way it will become 2 log x and this will become 3 log z. Now we want log y, log x and log z. Our problem will be solved. What we have with us x is equal to 100 raised to the power a. Now x is also, this can also be written as 10 raised to the power 2 into a, that is 10 raised to the power 2a. 100 ko 10 raised to the power 2 and then multiplied with a, that becomes 10 raised to the power 2a. Now changing this into log form. How do we change into log form? If it is a raised to the power b is equal to say y, then we change it into the log form. A is the base, so base will remain the same and it will be log y to the base a is equal to b. This is how we change it into log exponential form को log form में इस तरह से we change. So this will become log x to the base 10. Log we will put here, right? To log x to the base 10 is equal to 2a. Fine. So we got log x in the form of a. Now we have y is equal to 10,000 raised b. That is y is equal to 10,000 to the power b. So this can be written as 10 raised to the power 4b is equal to y. That will become 10 raised to the power 4b is equal to y. Fine. So now again we will change it into log. Log लिखेंगे यहाँ पर. That will become log y to the base 10 is equal to 4b. This gets interchanged and log comes here. Same way, what was there? Other thing, z is equal to 10 raised to the power c. Again we will write 10 raised to the power c is equal to z. So this will become log to the base 10 z, log z to the base 10 is equal to c. So now we got log y, log x and log z. We got all the logs. You can put here 1, 2, 3. Now substituting the value of log, substituting the values of log in this. So this will become log 10 plus half log y था minus 2 log x minus 3 log z. Now we will put these values of log x and log y and so on. So this was half log y. What is the value of log? If there is no base, that means the base is 10. That is understood by now. So now we will put the values. So this will become log y is 4b minus 2 log x. Log x is 2a. So log x की जगह 2a minus 3 log z. 3 log z is c. So 3c. So this will become log 10 plus 2b minus 4a minus 3c. Now log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. If there is no base given, it is understood that it is 1. So this will become 1 plus 2b minus 4a minus 3c. So you have expressed your that log, which was this log in ABC form.